I'd win?
Not on you, just your feet.
We're so proud of you. Where should we display your winning trophy?
In my room?
Oh, don't be silly. Other people should know that a Russo won the marathon.
She's not a Russo.
Until one of you kids wins a marathon, she is.
Congratulations, Harper. You know what I'm gonna do for you? I'm gonna make you my special after marathon get relaxed smoothie. Herbal tea, warm milk, and a jasmine scented candle.
But Max, you're not allowed to play with candles anymore.
Or a blender, so shut up about it.
Look what I found in the area where Alex hides things area.
It's time to move that area again.
A page torn out of the Cheater's Book of Spells.
Daddy, I think you and I should probably talk about that alone. Not that I know what that is, or...
It describes a spell to help someone finish a marathon.
And now we need to talk about not knowing what talking alone means.
Oh my gosh, Alex, you used magic on me so I'd win?
Not on you, just your feet. I'm sorry, Harper. I just couldn't take it anymore. Your constant training and your healthy eating, and you said you were gonna keep at it until you finished.
You know what, Alex? I thought you'd learned your lesson when we grounded you when you did this to Harper at the 5th grade spelling bee.
Hey, I won that.